moving to the procedure to solve the variation of parameters. So the examples. So in the first step, we just have to be first write down the given equation in the form of f of d of y equal to psi of x. After writing it in the form, we have to find out the complementary function. So our complementary function is c1 y1 plus c2 y2. After finding the complementary function, to get the complete solution, we replace c1 and c2 by a and b. There is our complete solution y equal to a y1 plus b y2. Here we have to replace c1 and c2 by a and b. Those are the functions of x. So to find those a and b, first we have to find out the w. By the y1 and y2, we have to find out the y1 dash and y2 dash, and we have to find out the w. After finding the w, we find out the a dash and b dash by the formulas minus y2 psi of x by w, b dash is equals to y1 psi of x by w. And we have to simplify this a dash and b dash by taking the integration. We find out the a and b. After finding this a and b, we have to substitute a and b in the equation y. Here, by substituting these a and b in the equation y, we get the complete solution of the given equation. You just have to one thing remember, after substituting the a and b and after making all the simplifications, for example, suppose y equal to a y1 plus b y2. If you substitute the a and b and after making all the simplifications, suppose if you get y equal to k1 e raised to x, k2 e raised to 3x plus sin x minus e raised to x. Suppose this will be your solution after opening the brackets and after substituting the a and b. You have to be concentrate coefficients of k1 and k2. Here the coefficient of k1 is e raised to x. We have to see in the equation, is there any term having the same term e raised to x? Is there any term is present with the same value e raised to x? Here the one term is present e raised to x. No, don't consider only consider the term. Don't consider any positive and negative sign here. So e raised to x is the coefficient of k1 is e raised to x. You just have to concentrate, is there any other term having a e raised to, is there any other term e raised to x is present? That must have only the constant coefficient. Here the e raised to x is present. Coefficient of the e raised to x is minus 1. So this term will be neglect. So you have to write down the complete solution k1 e raised to x plus k2 e raised to 3x plus sin x. Suppose the same example is given but have a coefficient as a x into e raised to x. This will not be neglected because you have to neglect only the term which having the e raised to x having the constant coefficient. Here the coefficient of e raised to x is not constant. The coefficient is minus x. So it will not be neglect. So you have to neglect the term those having only the constant coefficients with the function of the coefficients of k1 and k2. Suppose e raised to 3x is present. Here the coefficient of k2 is e raised to 3x. Here also term is e raised to 3x with the constant coefficient 1. Suppose you have like a 3, that is also neglected. So that kind of the procedure you have to follow in a simplification.